Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable safe mode with networking in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is you need to press Windows and R key together to open this run window. Here you need to type msconfig. Once done, click on OK to proceed. The moment this system configuration will appear, you can see here five options: General, Boot, Services, Startup, and Tools. Here you need to go with Boot, and here under the Boot options, you need to turn on the Safe Boot and go with Network and click on Apply and OK. So once done, you need to restart your computer, and once you have relaunch your Windows again or your computer again, you have just successfully set your computer into safe mode with networking. Okay? And let's say if you want to go back to normal mode or if you want to run your computer again in normal mode, then we will navigate the same process, which is you need to press Windows and R key together again. Here in this new window, you need to type msconfig once again and then click on OK to proceed. The moment you have click on OK, the system configuration will appear in your window once again. Here you need to go with boot and then turn this into minimal and then uncheck this. So in that manner, click on apply and OK. So in that manner, just have to restart your computer, and once you have restarted your computer again, you have just successfully run your computer in normal mode. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.